The monkey wakes up. It's 7:23 in the morning. Cell phone vibrates. Balance? Negative $237.50. Not zero? Negative? Tired monkey? Very tired. Boss sends a message at 11 p.m. Reply in 2 minutes. Landlord raises rent by $400? Okay. What else can monkey say? He needs a house. A friend invites me on a trip? I don't have the money. Working. Always working. But does it count? Empty. Always empty. The monkey isn't broken. The monkey is bleeding. But the monkey was wrong. Rich people, it's not luck. They just do 5 things differently. 5 things. Simple. 6 months, you feel different. 1 year, the account seems different. 5 years, you're free. Let's go. Habit number 1, pay yourself first. 20 to 30%, the entire salary. Money works like water. If you don't build a dam, it runs off. Friday. Salary $5,000. 2 weeks later, $150 left. Rich people, they build dams. First 20 to 30%, locked, invested. 49% of millionaires, they do it automatically. Before rent, before food, before anything. You save first, you spend later. Repeat after me, save first and spend later. 5 years doing this, $60,000 minimum. With compound interest, $75,000 to $90,000. If you don't see it, you don't spend it. Habit number 2, kill your debt. Debt is like cancer. It grows while you sleep. More debt, more interest. More interest, less savings. Less savings, more debt. Vicious cycle. Millionaires, zero consumer debt. List all debts. Highest interest rate, pay it off first. Credit card 15% per month, pay it off. Financing 0.5%. You wait, won't kill you yet. Habit number 3, index funds, 20% minimum. This is a cheat code, a real cheat code. You invest 1,000 reais every month. Year 10, 200,000 reais. You only put in 120,000 reais. Compound interest. Money makes more money while you sleep. 80% of millionaires, they invest in funds. Zero said that individual stocks were important. Buy every month. Market crash, buy. Market falls, buy more. Discount. Never sell, never. Compound interest isn't magic, it's math. Habit number 4, multiple sources of income. 65% of millionaires, 3 sources of income. Poor people, 1 source. That's it. Or even none. You do not need them all, but you do need more than 1. At least 3. 1 income, you are a slave. Multiple incomes, you are free. Start small, freelancing, online store, dividend stocks, 5 hours a week, master 1, then add the next. Habit number 5, live below your means. 60% of millionaires, house worth less than $1 million. Car, used, not a BMW. Rich doesn't mean a fancy car. Rich means boss fires me, I'm cool, I'm free. That is rich. Let Monkey recap. 1, save 20 to 30% first. 2, pay off all debt. 3, invest in index funds every month. 4, multiple income streams. 5, live below your means. Simple, not easy, but simple. Remember the monkey from the beginning? Negative $237.50. Boss, 11 p.m. Answer quickly. No money for the trip. That was in the past. Monkey today, 6 sources of income. $1 million and growing. Boss at 11 p.m. Monkey doesn't even look. Being rich means waking up, looking at your bank account and thinking, boss fires me? I'm fine. Everything changes. I'm free. That is being rich. Do you want that? Then start. Not tomorrow. Start now. Open a bank account now. Set up automatic transfers now. Later you'll thank me later. Financial freedom isn't luck. It's a decision. So will you choose to be poor or rich? Make your choice.